Yeah.
Remix.
Yeah.
J-Quan.
Yeah.
Young Buck.
Yeah. Two-step.
Tipsy.
Two-step. One. Then comes the two to the three to the four.
Yeah.
Everybody drunk out on the dance floor.
Okay.
Baby girl ass jiggle like she want more.
What's up,
like
man?
she a groupie and I ain't even no tour. Maybe cause she heard that I rhyme hardcore.
Yeah.
Or maybe cause she heard that I buy out the stores. Bottom of the ninth and the city got the score. If not, I gotta move on to the next floor. Here comes the three to the two to the one. Homeboy tripping, he don't know I got the gun. When they come to pop and we do this for fun. You ain't got one stick and you better run. Now I'm in the back getting from my huns. While she going down, I'm bragging on what I done. She smoking my stuff saying she ain't having fun. Shit, give it back now, you don't get none. Everybody in the club get tips.
We tipsy. We get tipsy.
Now everybody in the club get tips.
It's the remix. We get tipsy.
Now everybody in the club get tips.
Everybody in the club getting tipsy.
Everybody in the club get tips.
You know? Yeah. I'm on the dance floor tipsy, swimming with the dolphins. Everywhere I'm at in my cup, hypnotic golfing. It's J-Quan and the kid they call Buck. I'ma shine wherever, stuntin' them princess cuts. White gold on my chest and white gold in my mouth. I ride dirty and I'm trill, but I ain't from the south. From the M.Dot, Eastside Connect gang. And you can find me in the VIP, twisting them things. So they like, what's your name? I know you rap, girl. Sit down and get tipsy, let me get at that. Our cavalcade outside look like a funeral. And when we pee live pimpin', that's the usual. Neon on the dash with the polo shoes. I ride Dolo on purpose just to take home you. She got a tip drill on her behind. Without the baby fat, the way that you move it, ain't no telling what I'ma do to that. Yeah.
Everybody in the club get tips.
Everybody in the club gets tipsy.
Now everybody in the club get tips.
It's the remix. Everybody getting tipsy.
Everybody in the club get tips.
Everybody in the club getting tipsy.
Two, then comes the three to the four to the five. Now I'm looking at shorty right in the eyes. Couple seconds pass, now I'm looking at her thighs. While she telling me how much she hate a guy. Say she got the kid, but she got her tubes high. And you 21, girl, that's so right. I wonder if a shake coming with them fries. If so, baby, can I get them supersized? Then comes the four to the three to the two. She started feeling on my just right out the blue.
Yeah.
And you super thick, so I'm thinking that's cool. But instead of one life, I need two. Her eyes that big when she glanced at my jewels. Expression on her face like she ain't got a clue. Then she told me she don't run with the crew. You know how I do, but I guess one gotta do. Everybody in the club get tipsy.
Yeah, everybody in the club getting tipsy.
Now everybody in the club get tipsy.
It's the remix. Get tipsy.
Now everybody in the club get tipsy.
Everybody in the club get tipsy.
Now everybody in the club get tipsy. Three, then comes the four to the five to the six.
Yeah.
Self-explanatory, I ain't gotta say I'm rich.
Okay.
That single man, I ain't tryna get hitched. Liquor wasted on me, man, son of a brushed it off, now I'm back to getting lit. Goose and orange juice, man, it's some good-ish. Homeboy tripping cause I'm staring at his chick. Now he on the sideline staring at my clique. Then comes the five to the four to the three. Hands in the air if you catch drunk as me. Club on the set, Quan put out them tears. Dude, I don't care, I'm a PMP. Everybody in the club get tipsy.
Yeah, everybody in the club getting tipsy. Yeah, this the remix. J-Quan, Young Buck. We get tipsy.